Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to create Windows 7 bootable USB flash. Open your favorite browser. First we need to download Windows 7 ISO. Here search Internet Archive. Open this website. In this website search for Windows 7. Search. Here we have different ISO for Windows 7 like x86 or 64. Select one ISO. For example, this one, Windows 7 Enterprise, or you can search this on Internet Archive. If you search here Windows 7 Enterprise, you can find here. Here is also it is available. Scroll down. Here you will see the Windows ISO. It is around 3 gig, but I have already downloaded. Click on download. Now open new tab. In this tab we need other software. It is Refuse. Open Refuse website. With this software we can create bootable USB drive, and also with this software we can download Windows 10 or 11 ISO. I have separate video for that. You can find this video in the description for Windows 10 and Windows 11. From here download the latest version of Refuse. It is 4.15.exe. When you download Refuse, open it. Here we have Refuse and Windows 7. In this step you need to plug in one USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. My USB is 16 gig. Double click on Refuse. Run. Yes. Refuse will detect your USB flash. Come to select. Find the ISO you download before. Select. Open. Here you can change the volume level. Write Windows 7 or anything you want. Leave everything as default. Click on Start. Okay. Okay, everything will delete from USB. This step will take a few moments. Please wait. When it is ready, close it. Now everything is ready to install Windows 7. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.